So right now I'm going to go up in this facility here. I've got 3 rooms, and there's room 1 has 3 systems, room 2 has 4 systems, and room 3 has 3 systems. So that's 10 total systems. The original installing contractor didn't wire the controls correctly for the defrost termination fan delays. They didn't apparently know how to do it. So what they did was they ran from the so anyways, what I was saying was the contractor installed 2 wires down to unit cooler A and 2 wires down to unit cooler B, but I didn't have my connection for X to J to run these in series, and really I only need 1 wire up from the unit B up to the condensing unit. So anyways, we've got the wire installed for this connection. Last week we made our connections in all the air coolers, and now I've got room 1 operating correctly now already. Now I need to go wire up room 2 and 3 up here at the condensing units. So that's what I'm about to go do. So maybe I'll show you guys a little bit of the wiring mess that I got up there. To be continued. Okay, here's my ladder. A little bit of a climb, I'd say. It's a 25 foot climb right there. I've got to extend that up a little bit better, tie it off so that I do not get stranded up there. So there's my horse. Good, so here's my units. That single one, and double way up the distance is room 1. These 2 doubles are for room 2. The single and the double are for room 3. A little windy up here, so it's gonna be the audio is not gonna be that great. So I'm gonna be working on 2 and 3 today. Get these wired up. Rooms are turned off, so they're not in use today. But the way they've got them wired up, the defrost termination fan delays are not hooked up, so the fans had been powered all the time through 3A, which basically kept the evaporator fans on whenever it was out of defrost. No fan delay. And then of course there was no fan defrost termination, so the heaters would be on 30 full minutes, even though it's 80 degrees in the room. There's no need to defrost. So we're gonna get that corrected. Here's my installed wiring that I needed my help had to identify because nothing was identified. So we've got these identified now, so I know what to hook up where. These are going to be getting hooked up over here on system 1, system 2. So I'm going to be stripping these back, putting connectors on them, and getting this thing operating correctly. Okay, I've got the cooler A neutral, the unit cooler A fan to hook up onto my terminal boards. AE is going, this one's going in. I guess I don't have a space for in, I'm going to have to put a different connector. This is for 4, which is my fan control, the evaporator fan control for the contactors. There. Different connector on this one, a spade connector rather than a push-on connector because I don't have enough room. in jumps from in A into 3B, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on 3A because that's what anyways. Alright, that's my fan and my neutral. So now from B, I need my single wire. B, that's a slave. So I just need my ground wire. B for defrost termination. Everything else is connected at the air coolers is already connected. So one more wire on that system, and then connect to 3 wires on system 2. This unit, and it should be up and running. But yeah. The brown wire from unit B air cooler. Defrost termination from the X on the defrost termination controls. And that is going to be connected onto X here on the terminal board. Connect onto the defrost timer, which when it gets to a certain proper temperature, it'll kick the defrost timer back into freeze and energize the 3 connections for the first system. I got to do that exact same thing for system 2. Got a set here and a set here for system 2. Again, what I'm doing is I got 2 wires coming from unit cooler A. One of them goes on the end, which is the red one. I've identified it already and made my connections down here. So now I'm making my connection here, the condensing unit. Red on this system is in, brown that they ran from unit cooler A is going over here to 4 for my evaporator fan control. That's from unit cooler A. So on system 2 from unit cooler B, I have 1 wire for X. Going up a single wire for X, going up here to X, condensing it for the defrost termination. So that's why I got an extra. I'm using the brown on the other one for X, which is the most common color for defrost termination. X wires off the controls are brown, so I like to try to keep colors the same as possible. But sometimes when you don't run the wires, you get the colors, whatever colors they give you, and you have to make do. So anyways, I'm using brown on unit cooler B up to X, and the red one is a spare. There's my X from unit cooler B, and it has to go right here to my X terminal. Defrost termination right there. Yeah, this is a tandem heatcraft unit. Basically, it's got 2 systems in one unit. One connected unit. 2 compressors behind here. Got 2 condenser coils. 2 pairs of condenser fans. 2 solenoid boilers. Basically 2 units, but joined together into one frame and 1 electrical box. So it has double everything in this box right here. So I got 2 different condenser fan contactors, one for this side, one for this side. 2 different compressor contactors, 2 sets of everything in here. 2 terminal boards, 1 transformer for the controls, 1 phase monitor, 1 for system 1, 1 side for system 2. Same phase monitor for both systems. Got 2 sets of contacts. Got 2 sets of pressure controls, 2 time clocks, 2 service mates, double everything. All these fuses, everything's fine. Here's room 3 of that fan cycling project wiring I'm doing. I've got system 1 working, just cycled off, it's warm here, probably 70 degrees. So fan cycles are cycling on and off. System 2, I need to change out one of the fans delay switches, and I'm waiting for system 3 to kick on. Room 2 is over there through that door. Same thing, I've got 1 system with a bad fan cycle defrost termination switch. I'm going to change that out today too. Yeah, okay, I've got a warm coil, and red is common. black as fans, and with warm coil I've got continuity, so the fans come on all the time. I noticed that the temperature sensor bulb is smashed, so I'm changing this out. Okay, the real problem with this system was that the slave defrost termination fan delay switch was stuck in fan on, well, coil was warm and the defrost termination was not working. So this one was actually staying in defrost the whole time. It never had defrost termination, and the fans would come on as well. So now I've got the slave defrost termination switch changed out, so now it'll terminate defrost on temperature as well as delay the fans. So I have to go up on the roof and test this one out. From 2, system 1, system 3, system 4. System 2 has the same issue. The fan delay is stuck in the fan, so the fans come on all the time. So I can change that one out as well, get it started. Noticed up there on the roof, system 4, I've got the pump down switch on, and the thermostat is on. But I got no solenoid valve energized, so after I do this, I got to go up there, find out why that's not energized, and also got leaks on the roof to pinpoint. Yeah, all right, I went ahead and got all those defrost termination fan delays replaced, and got the wiring fixed, so that's a wrap on this one. Confirmed 100% fan delay and defrost termination all work, so that's a wrap.